the media, ladies and gentlemen, I now have the results for the two positions that have been competed for, the position of mayor and the position of vice mayor. I'll start with the position of vice mayor, and the voting pattern is as follows. Councillor Tom Nita, 1 vote. Councillor Jonas Kamwindo, 2 votes. Councillor George Anani Chibwede, 7 votes. Councillor Philip Kameta, 8 votes. Councillor Gerard Dibigwe, 9 votes. And by the powers vested in me, I declare Councillor Gerard Dibigwe as the Vice Mayor. Allow me to proceed now to Wawina 4 votes. Councillor Eric Mofolo 11 votes. Councillor Isaac Osman 15 votes. May I have order, please? May I have order, please? By the powers vested in me, I declare Councillor Isaac Jomo Osman as the mayor-elect. Now allow me to invite the Director of Legal Services, Councillor Atangolengeza, to administer an oath of office for the mayor-elect and vice mayor-elect. Thereafter, I'll be taking them to the mayor room. May I have order, please? I'll be taking them to the mayor room for Robbie, and thereafter they'll come in for the acceptance speech of the mayor and the local committee. So first, allow me to invite the vice mayor-elect to take an oath of office. Before the vice mayor-elect takes over office, allow me to make a correction. Of course, the correction is not going to change the results, but I skipped one name on the position for the vice mayor. Councillor Yolanda Nelly Rongwe scooped 3 votes. I thought as a House of Records, this must go on record. Thank you so much.
Before we take oath of office, and also for a chance, just 1 or 2 minutes. Firstly, I want you to take note of one thing. We have said that we are vice not deputy mayor. And the change, I think, before this day, we have been calling deputy mayors, those second to the mayor. But it has been shouldn't have been calling those people deputy mayors, right? Yes. So the change which has been made to actually be calling somebody calling your position as vice mayor is to actually emphasize the fact that it's actually somebody elected to the mayor. You don't have your agenda. Your agenda is the agenda plan. Your plan is the plan of the day. You only work on the delivery authority. The mayor will send you work, and you never actually come up with your work. I think I wanted to emphasize that so that there shouldn't be confusion as you do your work. Then at the same time, when you be working with the mayor, you have to give counsel to the mayor. Advise him on how you can work together as a council. So I want to say these words. So I will administer two oaths. The first oath is the oath of allegiance. When you take the oath of allegiance, you take the oath of office. Okay, so you will repeat after me. I hope you read the body. So let's go to the Bible. So repeat after me. I,
Gerald,
do hereby solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Malawi. I will faithfully serve residents of the seat of Blantyre and the Republic of Malawi as Vice Mayor of Blantyre City. I will obey all laws and all orders, regulations, directions, and instructions concerning the council. And I will discharge all the duties of Vice Mayor of the city of Blantyre according to the law, without fear, favor, affection, or ill will. So help me God.
So help me God.
Mafuta.
So you now take the office.
Yes.
You also
I, Gerald Kupika,
do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the functions of the office of Vice Mayor of the seat of Blantyre according to the Constitution and the laws of the Republic of Malawi, and that I will do right to all manner of people according to law without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
So help me God.
Having taken office, I can now announce that Councillor Gerald Ipigwe is now the Vice Mayor for the city of Blantyre. Congratulations. Allow me at this point in time to invite Councillor Isaac Jomo to take oath of office for the position of
as long as you take it out, for that different position, then So what I want to advise you, always make a presentation before making a decision. That's all. So, congratulations again. So take all the advice. So you repeat after me. I do hereby solemnly swear that I will be faithful. I'll be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Malawi. I will faithfully serve residents
in the city of Blantyre
and the Republic of
and the Republic of Malawi
as the mayor
of Blantyre city.
I will obey
all laws
and
all orders,
regulations,
directions and instructions concerning the council.
and I will discharge
all the duties
of the mayor
of the mayor
to the city of Blantyre
to the city of Blantyre
according to the law,
without fear, favor, affection,
or ill will.
or ill will. So help me, Ya Allah.
You will now take off of office, which will now essentially make you mayor now. So you repeat after me. I,
Isaac Jomo Osman,
do solemnly swear
that I will well
and truly
perform
the
functions
of the office
of
mayor
mayor
of the city of Blantyre,
of the city of Blantyre,
according to the constitution
the constitution
and the laws of the Republic of Malawi,
and the laws of the Republic of Malawi,
and that I will
do right
all manner of people
according to law without fear
or favor,
affection
or ill will.
or ill will.
So help me God.
So help me, Ya Allah.
By the powers vested in me, I now introduce to you the mayor for the city of Blantyre, Isaac Jomo Osman. Your worship, come in front and assume. May I have order? At this point in time, allow me to take His Worship the Mayor and the Deputy Mayor to the Council chamber for Robbie. Give us roughly maximum 10 minutes, then we come back, he delivers his acceptance speech, and then we call it a day. Let us all stand for the delivery of His Worship the Mayor.
councillors proceed to their local rooms for robing through.
I'm here. Okay. Your worship, your phones. December,